How can I report a Cash App refund scam?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to tackle a serious issue that's been plaguing many Cash App users: refund scams. If you've been unfortunate enough to be a victim of this, it's crucial to know how to report it to the right authorities. Today, we're going to guide you through the steps you need to follow to report a Cash App refund scam.
What is a Cash App refund scam?
Before we dive into the steps to report this scam, let's first understand what it is. A Cash App refund scam usually occurs when a scammer tricks you into sending them money with the promise of getting a larger amount in return, or manipulates you into believing you've made a payment mistake. In both cases, the scammer might promise a refund that never happens.
Recognize the signs of a scam.
The first step to fighting a scam is recognizing it. Here are a few red flags to look out for. Someone promising a larger cash return in exchange for a small payment. Unexpected requests for a refund for a supposed mistaken payment. Communication that seems unprofessional, lacks detail, or pressures you to act quickly. Remember, Cash App will never ask for your sign-in code outside the app, nor ask for any payment to verify your account.
How to report a scam on Cash App.
When you've identified a scam, it's important to report it right away. Follow these steps to report a scam on Cash App. 1. Open the Cash App on your phone. 2. Tap the Activity tab. 3. Find and select the suspicious transaction. 4. Scroll down and tap on Problem with this purchase. 5. Choose I suspect this is a scam. 6. Briefly describe the incident and hit Submit. By reporting the scam, you're helping Cash App to take action against the scammer, and potentially preventing them from scamming others in the future.
Reporting to other authorities.
Aside from reporting to Cash App, it's also a good idea to report the scam to your local law enforcement and to the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, in the U.S. This helps authorities keep track of these scams and potentially take action against the perpetrators. In conclusion, it's essential to stay vigilant and aware of potential scams, especially on platforms like Cash App. Remember the signs of a scam we discussed, and if you ever find yourself a victim, now you know how to report a Cash App refund scam. Stay safe and secure in your online transactions.